Hey guys, Trent Tate at Mercedes Guy 205. Just want to reach out today. I have a 2021 Bighorn 1500 Ram truck. It's a beautiful machine, as you can see, white with the blacked out elements, black wheels. And we got this vehicle very low miles, and it is a 2021. Hard to get these vehicles right now. So I'm going to turn this camera around and get you a little bit more information. So right up here in the front, you can see very nice body lines. They did a great job with these Ram trucks. This has been North American Truck of the Year, I want to say over the last couple of years, and they do a great job. This one in particular has got the 1500. It's a HEMI 5.7 liter V8. That's going to be pushing out just under 400 horsepower. And the way this one's built, it just looks really good. Blacked out wheels, has that nice matte finish to it. The black badging also complement the look of the vehicle. Black mirror caps also set that off. And when you're looking at condition of the body, it's basically flawless. I mean, there's no dents, dings that I'm seeing that are sticking out to me at all. I'm gonna walk around this whole vehicle, but great condition. Like I said, it's a 2021. I know a lot about this truck. A gentleman that I work with here at the dealership actually just traded this one in. It is a 4x4, and it's set up with a tow package already on the vehicle, so that's ready to go. This is the Bighorn edition of the Ram. Moving into the cab of these Ram trucks, fit and finish is very nice. As you can see, lots of room. This is going to have your 4 doors and lots of leg room. So if you do have to do some heavy lifting as a family hauler, you got a lot of leg room in the second row. This seat's basically all the way back. I do have long legs, so you can see this gives you a lot of room. You can also have the ability to pull up and fold up the back seats if you want to optimize that storage capacity. You'll notice in the back also integrated USB-C and USB ports. Those are high-speed charging ports, as well as a 3-prong electrical outlet as well. And right up here in the front, again, nice fit and finish to this vehicle. Very durable interiors. As you can see, the gear shift is all on the turn dial. And right here is also where you will engage, 4-wheel drive, high, low, auto, and 2-wheel drive mode elements. And then on the displays, they do a great job. Now, this will sync up with your Apple CarPlay, Android Auto devices. You'll have all your climate control settings here easily located, and you have a lot of real estate here that you can navigate all your front menus. And there you go. That is the like new 2021 Bighorn 1500 truck. If you'd like any additional information, please don't hesitate to contact me direct at 205-504-2358 or check me out online at themercedesguy.com. I really appreciate you sticking around for the whole video. And if I can make you one personal guarantee, when you make it out to Mercedes-Benz of Birmingham, expect excellence.